Hello guys, welcome back to the Science on YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily science videos. Today our topic is about the Newton's second law of motion. In this topic we will explain and define and will derive the Newton's second law of motion with example. So the Newton's second law of motion states that the acceleration is directly proportional to the force. It means with the constant mass, when the mass is constant. So it means that if I consider this is any object of constant mass and this other object of constant mass, so when the less force is applied on this object, so it will create less acceleration. It will produce less acceleration in this object. Now when the same mass is applied with a greater force F, so it will also produce the greater acceleration. So it means the acceleration is directly proportional with the force. This is the first statement of this Newton's second law. This is the first equation. The second equation is that the acceleration is his inverse relation with the mass when the force is constant. Now it states that if I again consider this is an object mass and this is another object m, so there are two different objects. One is a small object, one is a bigger object. So when the force is constant, this force is constant now on both the object, right? So it means that it is in inverse relation with the mass. If there is a smaller mass, so it will produce the larger acceleration because it is inverse relation. The smaller mass will produce more acceleration. The larger mass, it will produce less acceleration. Of course, this is an obvious fact that if a small object is pushed, it will produce more acceleration. It will move more forcefully, while there is a bigger object, so it will produce less acceleration by the same force. So these were the two equations about the Newton's second law of motion. Now by combining these one and two equation, we will get force and into the 1 over m. By combining these one and two equation, the acceleration is directly proportional to the force in inverse relation with the mass. So by moving this proportionality sign, we will put a constant here, right? And the constant here is the value of 1k. So by putting this 1 into F by m, so it means that F is equal to the ma. We can put this m on the other side, so it comes out to be F is equal to the ma, which is the Newton's second law of motion. So this was the derivation of the Newton's second law of motion, and I also explained this with example that what this Newton's second law of motion actually states. So this was the today topic, and forget and subscribe our channel for daily science videos. Thank you for watching our video.